In this video, we will talk about the app through which you can change your face into old or into the young one, okay? And you can also change the size of your face. You can change your hair. So let's go about talking about the apps. Search the Face app on your the Play Store, and here you can see I already downloaded. So I will just click on the open, and now click on the next button. You can also a lot of fun here, edit your background also, and you can also add a color, perfect color. Now I'm going to import any image from my gallery. So I will click on the image, and here you can see that I will show you that how I did this image. So I will just zoom it to the single image, and now click on the impression hair color what you want, okay? So here you can see it will take some time for the processing, and the hair has been added successfully. So it's for the pro it needs some money. So in this video I will also show you that how you can download it free of cost, okay? Big pace. So here you can see the pace has been broad. You can also change the nose. So this was about but some of the people face a problem about the fru, and most of the feature are not allowed to use. So I will show you that how you can download it free of cost, okay? So let's get starting talk about the free, okay? You just search on the Google face app mod FEK. So click on the first one, and it's been unlocked with all feature. So you just click and scroll down. Scroll down just to the bottom, and here you can see go to the download page. So click on that button, and by clicking this button to your download will be started automatically. So I'm going to just click, and here you can see that download anyway, but I have already, so I will not download it. I will just cancel it. But if you want to download it, so you just click on the download button, it will be downloaded successfully, okay? So this was about. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next. Bye.